let's do the unboxing of this brand new Merida. First, we don't want to damage the very expensive floor, so we need to take these stripes off because the metal right there, and the floor is very expensive, more expensive than 10 of those bikes. So that's the knife. Cut the tape. That's the seat post. And the whole bike. Wait a minute. Let's see what's this now. Okay, whole bike will go now. There it is. Sorry, I'm back. You can see my back. There it is. Can you see it? You can see it. Okay. So put it safe. Let me take it. Look at it close up. How good the packaging is. Very nice protection on the whole bike. The whole bike is protected perfectly. I like it. And the whole fork is protected. We have one of the best Allen keys you can get. Those are both hands. These are very nice Allen keys. Yes, so we only go through those screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 screws. This is there. You want to lose it? Just handbar. So like this. Now we can safely. So now we will safely screw in the handlebar. Not all the way, just be safe. Okay, it's fixed now. Now we can go like this. Safe. Now let's take the tape. Take it outside. Now this. You can see there's a break here, protect the wheel and the frame. So we won't move with the small pocket. See? It's very close. It's a good idea. Packaging is like now you have also a small box here from the fuse box. Just take it like this. And this is for the front wheel, of course. Pedals, which I will not use. I use a different one. I have the better one. Those are very simple pedals. They are not too heavy. They're alright. But I have the better one. Lights, of course you need lights. That's must. But I have the power lights, not this reflecting lights. I use power lights. Much better. And you have the bell, which is pretty good. I don't know what this is. This is some kind of manual. This is for the brakes, brake calipers. Yeah, this is for the brake. This is for the rear one. The front one is installed, but the rear one is not installed because the wheel is on the caliper. We have the manual, stickers. Let me just. Those are the protection stickers for the frame. Your cables will scratch the frame without the stickers. So this is very nice. They include the stickers. This is the manual for the brakes, no, for the shifters. Put it back on. Manual for the brakes. RockShox sticker. Zip. And some warranty. And the warranty manual for this. And we also have a CD. It's pretty nice of them. And that's the manual, which is pretty neat. Look, can you see it? It's pretty neat. You will need to remove this from the caliper. And now don't press the brakes. Without this you cannot press the brakes. Okay, let's put it back. Now, there's the wheel. There's also a protection for the fork, which we also need to remove. Well, it's not that easy now. Remove this protection. It's pretty tight. That's the protection for the fork. And now, the disc is on this side, so you need to install it like this. See? Very easy. Very easy. Let's protect a very expensive floor. So let's put it up. Come on, come on. Very easily. Don't rush. Come on. And there you go. Sorry, the light is very bad. You unscrew this side. Merida saddle. I think I will not use this saddle. I think I will use a different one because I have a better one. It's pretty light, I must say. It's not bad at all. Now, so put it in. Now, first unlock this. Sorry. Now, put it in and close it. And if it's not too tight, not tight enough, maybe I said it wrong. You just screw this in and then close it. It's too tight. Wait. And close it like this. But first we need to be straight. Okay. So this is like great. Okay, we have IFPHARYR pills. Okay. But we still don't screw in. First, we just remove the protection. And what do you think? Can we put it on and just right? Not really. This is very important. What you need to do now is take your keys and check every screw in this bike. Every screw. Brake screw. This is all need to be checked. Every screw. Here. this goes on the back right there, there on the front area, on the rear crank, on the back. You check the back wheel here, and the other side. You check all the screws on this bike, all of them. Take your time and check all the screws. If the radial area is not working properly, you need to adjust your gears. Fun fact, but let me take it off from the stand. It came like that from the store. On the highest gear, and the highest gear on the front, and the highest on the back. You know why it came like that? Because now the chain will not fall off in the transportation. It's very tight right now, so it won't fall off. XT radial area and frontal area, brand new, very nice. So, small adjustment here and there, and I think it will be ready to go. So that was just a unboxing of this bike. I hope that it wasn't too boring. The bike is great, working perfect. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.